Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Laravel and Symfony to help you decide which PHP framework is better. So let's start by breaking this down into key areas. Number 1. Popularity and community. Laravel remains the more popular framework in 2025, especially among beginners and startups. Its large community and huge ecosystem of packages makes it easy to learn and extend. Symphony, on the other hand, has a more professional and enterprise-oriented community with longer-term support. Number 2. Learning curve. Laravel is beginner-friendly with extensive documentation, elegant syntax, and built-in features like Eloquent ORM and Blade templating, while Symfony has a steeper learning curve due to its component-based architecture and configuration-heavy approach. It's more suitable for developers with experience in design patterns and OOP. Number 3. Performance. Symfony generally performs better for large-scale, complex applications due to its modularity and reusable components. However, Laravel's performance has improved over the years with newer PHP versions and caching techniques. Number 4. Flexibility and customization. Symfony gives developers more freedom and control over architecture and design, which is ideal for enterprise-grade applications, while Laravel offers structure and convention over configuration, which speeds up development but it limits deeper customization. Number 5. Ecosystem and tools. Laravel comes packed with tools like Laravel Forge, Vapor, and Nova for deployment, server management, and admin dashboards. On the other hand, Symfony relies more on third-party integrations and custom setups. So for final verdict, if you're building rapid applications, MVPs, or small to medium projects, Laravel is the better pick for you. And for complex, scalable enterprise systems, Symfony is the way to go. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.